Good morning, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a spectacular day. I want to share something with you that I had given my Big Energy Profits subscribers a trade alert that went out just this past Monday. And inside of 3 days, we booked a nice profit. So before we do that, of course, just take a second, look this over. Whatever I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial advice, as we are certainly not financial advisors. Now, I want to show you how we use Hawkeye tools over at Big Energy Profits. So Big Energy Profits was built around the way I personally traded the light sweet crude oil market. Now, Big Energy Profits quickly evolved from my trading strategy, my personal trade strategy, to applying that to the entire energy sector. I mean, we are covering stocks, ETFs, we are covering options on those stocks, ETFs, future contracts, all the above. I mean, we are really complementing every style trader and giving them the opportunity to really take the trades that they feel most comfortable with. I mean, everything from daily trade ideas for day trading to weekly swing trades to, my personal swing trades, my personal position trades, and then, of course, all these trade ideas in the energy sector. Now, this is a particular stock that I picked at the end of last week. This is the EOG. EOG Resources is the name of the company. And the indicators prompted me at the close of last week that it was time to take a long. So we bought this at the open on Monday morning, and we were long at 63.01. And this basically, by Wednesday morning, had fulfilled our target. So inside of 3 days, we had a 13% move in the actual price of the stock itself. Now, if you see on the bottom of the screen here, there's also a ticker symbol for the option. Now, I picked the option that is most ideal to the target, that is most ideal to the highest potential of return. And, there's a specific way of doing this, finding the one that has the most liquidity and will perform the best. So we bought this option, out of the money call option, for about $3 and change. And when this hit the target on Wednesday, our $3 and change option was worth $7 and change. So we had about a double on the option position. So if you're not into buying the stock or an ETF or a future, what I complement every trade with is an option. Now, there are some positions that I just put out utilizing an option. Now, we have a long-term open option position that we bought back in December that we're going to ride for a few more months, this wave here, until it hits our target. Now, that is just the strategy I used in that particular instance. But in this instance, when I issue a trade alert that's built on the Hawkeye method, I give you the actual trade, and then I also give you the preferred option to mimic the trade to get the best return. Now, 13% in 3 days is pretty nice, but 100% or a clear double in 3 days is really much nicer. So if you like that leveraged idea of taking a stock pick or an energy sector pick or an ETF pick or a futures pick and leveraging it with the options market, that is something that you can do. Now, you can do this with any stock or ETF that you choose to trade as long as it is optionable. This particular instance worked out beautifully, and I wanted to just take a moment and share it with you. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. It's really that simple. I decided at some point that I was going to be a consistent, disciplined, and profitable trader. It was just a choice. When I made that decision, I believed in myself, I believed in my system, I believed in my ethics, and I went ahead and accomplished what I had set out to do. Today, I live a different life than I did 10 years ago, before I had made this decision, before I had believed in myself. And this has taught me that it doesn't matter what I want to do in my life. As long as I believe that I can do it, I am more than halfway there, and I can get the rest of the way because I am capable within myself to do the same, and so are you. Now, if you're ready to get started, there is a link, of course, directly right below this video. All you have to do is click on it. It's going to take you to the Project vSwarm webinar where you're going to learn how these indicators are used over and over and over again to create profitable trades like the one I just showed you. Now, you can visit us at HawkeyeTraders.com, team1@HawkeyeTraders.com, or give us a call, 888-233-8598. And if you'd like to learn more about how I personally trade and the service I provide at Big Energy Profits, you can go to BigEnergyProfits.com and register to see my personal training webinar. Guys, with that, I want to wish you a great day. I hope you're having a profitable one. I hope you're doing well and staying well. And most importantly, I hope you are healthy. God bless you all and enjoy your day. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.